Welcome to Lesson 1 of KS3 Maths, Number Foundations. Today we're learning about place value, a key skill for everything from arithmetic to algebra. Place value tells us the value of each digit depending on where it is in the number. Let's look at the number 4,582,019. Each digit has a position and a value. 4, millions 5, hundred thousands 8, 10,000s 2, thousands 0, hundreds 1, tens 9, ones. So this number is read as 4,582,019. Remember, we group digits in threes using commas. Millions, thousands, units. Example, 903,217 is 903,000, then comma, 217. Now here is a challenge for you. Write 7,040,605 in words. Did you get that? Let us know by sending us the answer on the comment or by email. Now that we understand how to read large numbers, let's explore how to compare them. Comparing numbers is all about looking at the place value of each digit, starting from the left, the highest value place. Think of it like comparing two long words. You always start reading from the beginning, not the middle. When comparing two large numbers, follow this process. 1. Look at the millions digit in both numbers. 2. If they're the same, move right to the hundred thousands digit. 3. If those match, move to the 10,000s, and so on. You move through the number until you find a digit that is different. Whichever number has the larger digit at that position is the bigger number. This method works for any size number. Let's take an example. Number A, 682,901. Number B, 681,999. Step 1. Compare the hundred thousands digits. Both are 6, no difference. Step 2. Compare 10,000s digits. A has 8, B has 8, still no difference. Step 3. Compare thousands digits. A has 2, B has 1, and here we see the difference. So 682,901 is greater than 681,999 because 2 is larger than 1 in the thousands place. Let's order three numbers from smallest to largest. 92,150, 92,105, 92,501. Start with the largest place value, the 10,000s. All numbers begin with 92, so the thousands digit is the same. Now look at the hundreds digit. 150. Hundreds digit is 1. 105. Hundreds digit is 1. 501. Hundreds digit is 5. Since 501 has the highest hundreds digit, it is the largest of the three. Now compare the remaining two. 92,150 versus 92,105. Compare the tens digit. 150, tens digit is 5. 105, tens digit is 0. So 92,105 is smaller. Final order from smallest to largest. 92,000. 105 to 92,150 to 92,501. Now let's move on to rounding, another essential skill you'll use constantly in maths and everyday life. Rounding helps us make numbers simpler and easier to work with while keeping them close to the original value. When rounding, we look at the digit immediately to the right of the place we're rounding to. Here's the rule. If the digit is 5 or more, we round up. If it's 4 or less, we round down. This rule never changes, no matter how big the number is. Let's take a look at an example. Let's round 78,921 to the nearest thousand. Step 1. Identify the thousands digit. The thousands digit here is 8. Step 2. Look at the digit to the right, the hundreds digit. The hundreds digit is 9. Step 3. Apply the rule. Since 9 is 5 or more, we round up. So 78,000 becomes 79,000. Let's try another one. Round 54,281 to the nearest hundred. Hundreds digit is 2. Tens digit is 8. 8 is 5 or more. Round up. So the number becomes 54,300. You can see how rounding can make numbers much easier to use. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Place value tells us the value of each digit. We read large numbers in groups of 3. To compare numbers, always start from the left. Rounding makes numbers simpler by using the 5 or more round-up rule. Great work today. In the next lesson, we'll explore addition and subtraction strategies to build even stronger number skills.